Hello everyone, welcome to Explore and Learn. A very happy new year to all of you. Today's video is about daily use sentences in English, especially which you use in kitchen. So, sometimes you are able to use them in your mother tongue but not in English. So this video is about that. For example, the sentences like दूध फट गया है, आटा गूंथ लो, दही को मथ लो, अंडे को फेंट लो, एक चुटकी नमक ले, दूध फटना. These are some kind of sentences which you know how to say in your mother tongue or in Hindi, but you don't know how to say them in English, right? So if you don't know, then this video is for you. So let's start. And please forgive me because I am having severe cold, but then also I am trying to make this video and trying to record this audio. So let's start. As I told you, this video is about kitchen vocabulary with example sentences from Hindi to English. So, आटा गूंथना is kneading the flour. For example, मैं आटा गूंथ रही हूँ. I am kneading the flour. मथना is called churning. For example, we churn the milk to make butter. पीसना is grind. For example, she is grinding the coffee beans. निचोड़ना is a squeeze. For example, squeeze the lemon to get its juice. कूटना to pound. उसने मसाले कूटने के लिए ओखली और मूसल का इस्तेमाल किया. She used mortar and pestle to pound the spices. फेंटना is to beat. For example, एक चुटकी नमक अंडे में मिलाकर फेंट लें. Add a pinch of salt into an egg and beat it. So चुटकी is pinch. तलना is frying. For example, the cook is frying chips for me. So frying is talna. Now atta channa is sifting the flour. For example, वह आटा छान रही है. She is sifting the flour. दूध फट गया है. The milk has curdled. दूध फटना is curdled. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow for more.